Do you know how companies like Netflix, Uber, and Microsoft process millions of records of data in just seconds? The answer is Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks is a cloud-based data engineering platform built on Microsoft Azure. It combines the power of Apache Spark with an easy-to-use collaborative workspace. Whether you are a data engineer, a data scientist, or a business analyst, Azure Databricks is designed to help you work with large datasets faster and smarter. Let's start with ETL. ETL stands for Extract, Transform, and Load. First, you extract raw data from different sources like databases, APIs, or files. Then you transform that data by cleaning it, removing errors, and shaping it into the format you need. Finally, you load that clean data into a data warehouse or data lake for analysis. Azure Databricks makes ETL simple, fast, and reliable. Now let's talk about data pipelines. A data pipeline is an automated workflow that moves data from one place to another. Think of it like a water pipeline. Water flows from the source to your home automatically. Similarly, a data pipeline moves data from the source system through transformations and into the output destination without any manual work. Azure Databricks lets you build and schedule these pipelines using Delta Live tables. Here is the most impressive part. Azure Databricks runs on Apache Spark. Spark is a distributed computing engine that processes billions of rows of data across hundreds of machines at the same time. This makes Azure Databricks incredibly fast and scalable. Tasks that take hours in traditional systems are completed in minutes. Azure Databricks also supports real-time streaming. Using structured streaming, you can process live data as it arrives. This is perfect for monitoring financial transactions, tracking social media trends, or analyzing data from IoT devices. Another powerful feature is machine learning integration. Azure Databricks includes MLflow, which lets you train models, track experiments, and deploy AI solutions all in one place. In simple terms, Azure Databricks takes your raw, messy data and converts it into clean, structured, and useful data ready for decision-making. Companies like Shell, Walgreens, and Toyota already use it to power their data platforms. If you are serious about becoming a data engineer, Azure Databricks is one of the most important tools to learn. The demand for this skill is growing fast across every industry. Subscribe for more Azure and data engineering content.